Um, I realized that motocross is fun. If you guys want more motocross videos, we couldn't upload another one. I couldn't upload the other one because it took too long. We're working hard for videos, but yeah. So it will be coming, I think, like January 2020. So you guys are gonna see the other videos that I actually did. You know, like the clutch lever broke. I noticed that I'm a good motocrosser now. Like, I'm so fast. Well, when I don't have GoPros on my helmet, I am good. So, well, I'm gonna take my KTM 65 because I'm moving on to the next level next week. So I'm gonna be much better now. So guys, comment down below, what's your favorite bike? Make sure to not keep that subscribe button red. I want it to be gray. And I want a like to this video. The thumbs up has to be blue. And before I actually started motocross in Brazil, well, I was like, I didn't have a dirt bike. I only had like a little it's not a dirt bike. Well, it's just a little bike that you have to pedal. And my dad was a motocrosser since he was in Brazil 2013. My dad was a little bit like a kid. He had a little black dirt bike, and that was from a long time ago. It was like 7 years ago. And then I started off electric dirt bike in 2018. I got it from Christmas. And then I started using Kawasaki 50cc from the old camera that I actually did. I didn't really know how to drive dirt bikes that time. Well, I was practicing still. I noticed that was a 4K camera that I would actually show. It was like a 4K. So I didn't know what to do. So, and now I'm gonna get the KTM 65. And I hope sometime tomorrow I'm gonna rip my 50cc Cobra. And we'll see how it goes tomorrow, guys. And I think my dad's gonna post this video on YouTube because tomorrow there's gonna be more videos coming up soon. And subscribe to Motorized too, guys. Motorized. And also subscribe. This video is sponsored by Deegan 38. To MMX. I went MMX one time, so you can see the videos. They're down there. It was like a month ago. And then we have a video of electric dirt bike that is on my mom's phone. Well, I didn't put that on YouTube because that's when I didn't know how to put videos on YouTube. And it takes my dad like an hour to do these videos.